Hello everyone, I am Richa Gaur from Quick Maths. Exercise 13.1, question number 4. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to this one. So first of all, he is saying that there is a certain container, and in this the paint is kept in the container, and it is sufficient to paint an area equals to this. So the total area is given first. Total area is 9.375 meter square. Now, how many bricks of dimension 22.5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? So he is demanding the number of bricks to be painted out from this container. Now for brick is in the form of cuboid. This is the brick. It is in the form of cuboid. Its length is given. So length is 22.5 centimeter and breadth is also given 10 centimeter and height is 7.5 centimeter. So first of all, area of, we can say surface area of one brick, because all the parameters of brick is given, so we can calculate the surface area of one brick. One brick is 2lb plus bh plus hl. This is the total surface area of one brick. So surface area of one brick equals to twice into, we will put the parameters, 22.5 into b is 10 plus, second one is b, 10 into 7.5, third one is h, 7.5 into 22.5. So by putting all these parameters here, we can get surface area is twice of, this will be 22 to 5 because decimal will be cancelled by 0, plus this will be 75, again decimal will be cancelled by 0, plus now we can calculate here 2 to 5 into 75. This will be 5, 25, 2, 10, 12, 1, 10, 11. 7, 5 the 35, 3 carry, 7 to 14, 14 and this 17. 17, 1 carry 14 and 15. So it will be 5, 7, 8, 6, 1. So it is 16875, and how many places of decimal will be considered? 2. This one. So it will be 2 into, we will add them. This is 0.75. This is 5, 5, 10, 10 and 8, 18, 1, 3, 3, 7, 10, 10 and 6, 16, 10 and 6, 16, 1, 3, 3 and 1, 4. This one is. Now we will multiply it, means twice of it. Multiply 2, 5 the 10, 1 carry, 2, 7 the 14, 15, 1 carry, 2, 8 the 16, 17, 1 carry, 2, 6 the 12, 13, 1 carry, 2, 8 the 9 and up to this. 2 places of decimal. So it will be 937.5. We can say this is centimeter square. And this is centimeter square. Now what is given? Total area is given. It is in meter square. So we have to convert into centimeter into meter. So we can convert into meter square. Meter square is bigger unit. So we will divide it with 937.5 with 104 zeros. It will be meter square. So it will be 4 zeros, means this decimal will be shifted to 4 places to the left. So it will be 0.09375 meter square. This is the area, surface area of one brick. This one. Now number of bricks will be, just a minute. Yes. Now number of bricks. We can calculate the number of bricks to be painted by total area upon area of one brick, upon area of one brick. So it will be, total area is 9375. This one is decimal, and one brick area is 0.09375. So on the in the numerator 3 places of decimal, in the denominator 5 places of decimal. So if we cancel the 3 places with 3, then it will be 2 places, then it will be 100. 100 will come in numerator. So otherwise 9375 is remaining, so it will be cancelled out and answer will become 100 only, because there are 3 places of decimal in the numerator and 5 places of decimal in the denominator. So 3 places will be cancelled by 3 places, only 2 places of decimal will be remained, and this 2 places of decimal will be converted into 100, that will come into the numerator. So it will be a 100. So the number of bricks will be 100. This is the required answer. Thank you so much.